Right, look, I shuffle these cards, and now I take 4 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now spectator search for random cards and remember these 4 cards. Snap my finger, and now I change these 4 random cards. It's really amazing, yes? Look, I take these 4 random cards, change for queen, turn over, snap my finger, and change for ace. It's really cool. Maybe queen here? No, maybe here. Maybe queen, no, queen really vanish. Wow. And now I take this 4 ace. Yes, look, this is diamonds, clubs, hearts, and spades. I take this 4 ace. Now snap my finger, now this ace of spades. Snap my finger, now this ace of spades. Snap my finger, now this ace of spades. Now snap my finger, now this ace of spades. And now I turn over this pile, and now this 1, 2, 3, 4 queen. Wow. And now I take 1 queen, queen of clubs, drop it. Snap my finger, and now this ace of spades. It's really amazing. And now I shuffle these cards and search ace number 2, maybe like this, ace number 3 like this, and ace number 4 like this. And next step, spectator take 4 random cards. It's really true, it's really not force. Take card number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. You take really 4 random cards. 1, 2, 3, 4. You take really 4 cards. I show it slow-mo. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now snap my finger, now this queen, this queen, this queen, and this queen. I'm sorry, this is 5 of spades, change queen of diamonds. Let's learn. Right, 1, 2, 3, 4 ace, and now 1, 2, 3, 4 queen. And now I teach really easy to do card trick. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will teach you impossible card trick. It's really unbelievable foundation magic. It's really pure sleight of hand. Thank you for watching my video. Maybe subscribe to my channel, liking this video right now, and of course share this video with your friend magician. Why not? Why not, my bro? And now I teach you this really unbelievable card trick. Let's go. Right, for this trick you make a little setup. You take 4 ace, take 4 queen, and take 2 random cards. It's really any cards. Right. And now your setup look like this. You take 4 queen, spades, hearts, clubs, diamonds, and putting her face up. Take these 2 random cards, and 1 card face up, 1 card face down. And next step you take this 4 ace, spades, hearts, clubs, diamonds, and putting her like this. Right. Right, it's really easy setup. 4 ace, 1 random cards face down, 1 random cards face up, and 4 queen. Right. And next step you make any full shuffle, you make any full cut, maybe like this, maybe shuffle like this, maybe shuffle like this. It's really anywhere, right? Maybe you take this pile, shuffle like this, and this pile drop it like this. Of course you control it your setup. Look, I repeat, take this pile, make a really shuffle, deal 1 by 1, and this pile drop it like this. Of course you control it this setup. Right. And next step you make a dribble, spectator stop anytime, and you take 4 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's really free, it's not forced. Turn over these 4 cards and show it like this. And next step your left hand count 11 cards. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I repeat, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And make you break. It's really easy. And now you show it these 4 cards. And now you turn over this pile like this. Your right hand take these 11 cards and turn over like this. Yes, it's really easy. And next step, snap your finger and turn over and show it for queen. It's really true. And next step, use this finger, count 6 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and make a break. And save it your break. take this 4 queen and show it spades, hearts, clubs, diamonds, show it this 4 queen, and now you turn over this pile like this. Your right hand takes this pile and turn over like this. Snap your finger and show it for ace. It's really easy. And next step you take these 2 cards, right? One card's face up, one card's face down. Take these 2 cards and now you move it like this. You take these 2 cards, turn over like this, take these cards like this, and these cards turn over like this. And now you turn over these cards, right? I repeat, take these 2 cards, turn over like this, move it like this, turn over like this, turn over like this. This is not ace, not queen, not ace, not queen. Turn over your deck, right? And next step you count 4 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, make a break. You count 4 queen. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, make a break, right? And now you take this 4 ace, this is spades, hearts, clubs, diamonds. Take this pile 8 cards, 4 ace and 4 queen, and turn over 4 ace. Ace number 1, ace number 2, ace number 3. This is 5 cards. Drop it these 5 cards like this and turn over ace of spades like this. And now you take 4 cards, 1, 2, 3, 4. And this pile, drop it like this. And next step you take these 2 cards, take these 2 cards, show with these 4 cards. And now this pile, drop it like this. Alright. And now your ace of spades here. So, and next step you use this finger, count 1 card, this is 1 card, and make a break 3 cards, right? And now you turn over 3 cards like this and show it ace of spades. Look, take these 3 cards, turn over like this is ace of spades. Turn over like this, drop it these cards. Make a repeat, count 1 cards, make a break, take these 2 cards, turn over 2 cards, show it these 2 cards, this is 2 cards, really true. Take these 2 cards, turn over and drop it like this. Take this 1 card, turn over like this. And now you make a switch. Your left hand turn over this ace of spades like this. Your right hand takes this queen, alright? It's really easy. I'm sorry. This is ace of spades. Make a switch. Drop it these cards like this and show it this ace of spades. It's really cool. And now use this ace of spades, position number 2, like this, and take this pile like this, spin this pile, turn over, and make empty count. You take 1 card, block 2 cards, 1, 1. I repeat, take 1, 2, 3, 4, queen. Right? It's really easy. And next step, take this pile, show it for queen, take this deck, turn over, drop it these cards like this, and now you make a double lift. You take 2 cards, turn over like this, so it's queen of clubs, of course this is 2 cards. Take 2 cards, turn over like this, turn over and drop it like this. Snap your finger and show it this ace of spades. It's really easy, it's really cool. Step you count 5 cards, look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and make a break. It's really easy, look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, make a break. And now you make a double undercut like this. You make a break, and next step you take this break like this, take a little pile, move it like this, and take your break and put in her like this. And now this 2 ace, this 1 ace and 4 queen, right? And next step in production, this ace of hearts. You move it like this. You count little pile, move it like this, and now this ace of hearts, slide these cards like this, and now your production this ace of hearts like this. You move it like this. And production, ace of hearts. Yes, it's really easy. Look, little pile, move it like this, and production this ace of hearts like this, and turn over like this. And next step, production this ace of clubs like this. You make a slip cut, and turn over this ace of clubs. And ace of diamonds, production like this. You take this pile like this finger takes this corner, and now your production like this. You make a stop, maybe here, And now use this finger, make move it like this, and production this ace diamonds like this. Repeat, look. And production is ace of diamonds. The next step, you make a spread and count 4 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4. And make a break. Of course, this is for queen. Make a spread. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make a break and save it your break. Right. And now spectator take 4 cards. Card number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. Now squeeze these 4 cards and now you make move it like this. Of course you save it your break for queen. And now you take this deck like this and save it your break for queen. And now you take these cards and show it like this, take these cards, show it like this, use this card, show it like this. And now use this for queen, drop it this pile like this and take these 4 cards, right? Look, I repeat. Dun, 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 dun. You save it your break for queen. This is 2, 3, drop it these cards like this, and 4. Alright? Look, I repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's really true. Make a break like this. Alright? Take 1 cards, 2 cards, 3 cards. Drop it these cards like this and 4 cards. This pile put in her like this and slow mo drop it 1 cards. 1, 1, 1, 1. And now turn over this king of hearts, king of spades, king of clubs, king of diamonds. No, this is not king of diamonds. Take these cards, turn over like this. And now you take these 2 cards like this. And now you make a change like this. You take these 2 cards, now you make a change like this. It's really easy change. Look, you take these 2 cards, squeeze, and this finger make move it like this. And change this 3 of spades to queen of diamonds. It's really easy, critics. Thank you for watching my video. See you later.